So charging forward here, we're at round 5, heat number 1. It's FPV Slacker and AK Honky. They are out on the fly line, placing their quads, and we are getting ready to start this race as well. So the pilots are ready to go, and we're just about ready to race.
Let's race on the dome.
Now we're just waiting for a tone. And quads are in the air. AK Honky through the gate first. FPV Slacker not too far behind right now. He's now through gate number 1 as well. AK Honky into the corkscrew and off towards the split S. FPV Slacker just now getting up to the corkscrew as well. AK Honky now coming around the backstretch to finish his first lap. And 1 down for him in a time of 38.809 seconds. FPV Slacker negotiating the U-turn gate back there, making his way over towards the backstretch as well. AK Honky through the split S now. And there's FPV Slacker now with his first lap down, 1 minute 9 seconds. 37 seconds left in this race as AK Honky comes through the gate. He can make another lap, it looks like. 42 seconds on that one. So he's on pace for 3 laps right now, as he just goes by FPV Slacker. A couple shots at a collision there, coming around towards the corkscrew complex. AK Honky through the split S now. And a collision with the flags after the U-turn gate there. He's in the dirt. That may do it for him. Doesn't look like he's got a good video feed. We'll join him if he does get it back in the air. For now, it's FPV Slacker. With the time expired in the race, all he needs to do is get it through 2 more gates now, and he'll add 10 to his tally. Through the backstretch comes FPV Slacker, and into the start gate he goes. And that's it. And AK Honky just got it in the air and could have stolen it from FPV Slacker, but not enough time. That was a dramatic finish, folks. It could have gone either way on that one. And there you have the results there. AK Honky finishes 3 laps in a time of 2 minutes, 33.343 seconds for the first place finish. And FPV Slacker, 2 laps in 2 minutes, 27.757. The race day standings now look like this. Dan Boy, Man Boy, nothing really changed at the top. It's AK Honky, 26 points now, keeping the heat on with FPV Maverick, and FPV Slacker still not completely out of the race either with 24 points.